For homeowners seeking vinyl window replacement League City, the right upgrade can dramatically improve comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Vinyl windows League City TX are a popular choice because they resist moisture, reduce maintenance, and perform well in the Gulf Coast climate. Whether you own a house, modern replacement windows can help lower energy costs and refresh the look of your property. A trusted replacement vinyl window company, League City, can evaluate older frames, recommend insulated vinyl windows League City, and provide window replacement estimates. League City tailored to your home, budget, and long-term performance goals. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. League City are designed to help homes stay cooler during long Texas summers and more comfortable during changing coastal weather. Double-pane vinyl windows, League City, Texas, and insulated vinyl windows near Bay Colony League City TX reduce heat transfer, improve interior temperature consistency, and can help support lower utility bills. Many League City homeowners choose high-performance vinyl windows, League City with low E glass and advanced weather sealing for improved thermal protection. If you want affordable vinyl windows in League City TX without sacrificing quality, energy-efficient models often provide the best balance of cost, comfort, and value. Custom vinyl windows. League City are ideal for homeowners who want the perfect fit, style, and function for every room. From vinyl casement windows, League City TX area, to vinyl picture windows near Brittany Lakes. League City TX, custom solutions can match both traditional and modern architecture throughout League City TX. Residential vinyl windows. League City, Texas are available in multiple colors, grid patterns, hardware finishes, and operating styles, making it easy to personalize your home. A professional vinyl window consultation League City helps identify the best vinyl windows League City for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and entry-facing spaces. Window replacement estimates League City should be detailed, transparent, and customized to your property's needs. The best estimates account for window size, product type, glass package, installation complexity, and whether you need standard replacement, custom vinyl windows League City, or new construction vinyl windows League City. Homeowners comparing vinyl window estimates or best vinyl windows should ask about warranties, energy ratings, frame options, and installation methods. With the right guidance, vinyl window replacement League City becomes a high-value upgrade that enhances efficiency, appearance, and protection for homes across League City TX. Vinyl window installation. League City, Texas, should always be handled with precision to maximize performance and longevity. Even the best vinyl windows League City will not perform correctly if they are poorly fitted, inadequately sealed, or installed without proper flashing. Experienced vinyl window installers, League City, and vinyl window contractors, League City know how to account for local moisture conditions, sun exposure, and structural details in older and newer homes alike. Whether you need home vinyl window services, League City, professional installation helps ensure smooth operation, improved insulation, and durability. New construction vinyl windows, League City TX builders prefer are often selected for efficiency, design flexibility, and long-term value. In new homes across League City and surrounding Galveston County TX, builders choose residential vinyl windows League City that offer clean aesthetics, dependable operation, and strong energy performance from day one. Custom vinyl windows League City TX can be specified to suit open-concept designs, large front elevations, or rear-facing views with vinyl picture windows, League City, and vinyl casement windows League City. For growing neighborhoods and custom builds, a vinyl window company League City TX can provide design support, installation coordination, and product recommendations. Affordable vinyl windows. League City remain one of the smartest investments for homeowners who want quality without overspending. Many families searching for vinyl window replacement League City TX want a practical solution that improves appearance, efficiency, and resale value all at once. Vinyl double-hung windows. League City TX homes commonly feature because they are versatile, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday ventilation. A reputable replacement vinyl window company, League City, can explain product tiers, financing options, and window replacement estimates, so you can choose upgrades that align with your budget and renovation timeline. Local expertise gives homeowners an advantage when choosing vinyl window contractors in League City TX or vinyl window installers near Tuscan Lakes League City TX. Contractors familiar with League City TX understand permit considerations, neighborhood preferences, storm preparedness needs, and the performance demands of the regional climate. From replacement vinyl windows near Marbella League City TX to window replacement services, local teams can provide faster scheduling, more accurate measurements, and better service after installation. If you are looking for vinyl window company League City TX support, choosing nearby specialists often leads to smoother projects and stronger long-term results.